there is a certain kind of exaggeration which is going on. Hello, Aries. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely moonions. This is a monthly reading for October 2020. We will be looking into love and anything else that the spirit has for us. All right. So we are kind of in the middle of exiting certain retrogrades and in the process or beginning our journey under another retrograde. Pluto, Saturn, and Jupiter turn direct, and we have ongoing Mars and Uranus retrograde going on. And 14th onwards of this month until the 3rd of November, we have Mercury retrograding as well. So just be aware of how you are communicating. That is very, very important. Be very articulate coming through. Avoid jumping into something new, but this is a time where you can search, think of ideas, strategize, experiment with things before starting something new, a new endeavor, or even a relationship. All right, so let's just begin with the reading because I'm phasing in and out a little. We have the Fool card coming in, which is revealing itself. So when the cards reveal themselves as is, it just gives me a little bit of a direction or an impromptu or immediate thing which is very important. Right now, the Fool card coming in reverse is talking about not really the time to take the leap of faith at the moment. There could be certain things that we still need to work upon in terms of love, with especially with a new partner, potential partner, and don't get worked up by the pace at which things are going. And this says like this is a time where you pursue a little bit of patience and utilize this time to observe, reflect, and then even rejuvenate yourself. Get a clearer picture, or there are certain things which you still need to know about, information which is pretty much vital before starting whatever phase that you are planning to begin very soon. That is what is coming in. Any kind of change that you're thinking of, which will have a long term effect. So, life changing decisions. Take the time to consider all the options and everything. That is all I'm going to say. Not really the time to start something new just yet. Just gather some more momentum. All right. So the next card coming in is the 10 of Wands coming in. So this does talk about a little bit of tiredness due to taking a lot of responsibility, that someone is feeling weighed down by something or the other, whether it is responsibility, obligation, certain kind of weight, whatever it is, emotionally, mentally, physically, whatever it is really fatiguing your soul. Or on a day-to-day basis, there is this lack of energy, a little bit of lethargy as well, but there's this fire of wanting to do something, making that change. Like for some people, enough is enough kind of a moment coming in, mild or completely 180-degree kind of a perception that comes through. The wavelength will be very different, but there is something that is clogging your mind, soul, body, time, life a little too much, which needs to be released or delegate a little. That is also what is coming through. We have, it's almost like before taking the extra responsibility, make sure that you are delegating some work and taking some time for your own self. That kind of a thing is coming in. We have the King of Pentacles coming through, which is talking about someone who is kind of in the middle of realizing the traditional viewpoint and the modern viewpoints, and how do we get that fusioned up together. That kind of energy is coming in, but don't get limited by the image that you have about the finality. You may be limiting your scope, and right now you may be burning yourself out is also coming through, whether it is stress or a lot of workload, whatever is like in exaggeration right now that is taking up all your time. Try some moderation there if possible, because it's piling up way too much. And also, maybe it could be all these things are like what is stopping you from taking the next step is that you have too much on your plate. Don't overly promise. Believe in yourself. You're stronger than any kind of obstacle that may be in front of you. But first, stop being your own opponent. befriend yourself. That is also what is coming through, and bring things into balance. Anything which is getting exaggerated is coming to a point where it has to be shifted, because you're burning yourself out day in day out. That is the energy which is coming through. Relax, take it easy, remember to breathe. That all of that is piling up. Let's look into more cards, but there's this strong energy of like, stop pressurizing yourself. That is coming in very very strongly, like it's just buzzing in my head. You've got this. Don't doubt yourself. Do something because you want to do it. It makes you happy. It inspires you, not because it is something that will please others. For some people coming through, because there's a lot of divine masculine energy which is coming through right now. So we need the divine masculine to be relaxed a little, to calm down a little, because the creativity is going to come in. The clarity will be coming through. Could be for some people too much emphasis on the finances and the personal life is taking a backseat. So we need to bring out a better ratio of how are we allocating our time, and more importantly, our presence. That is also what is coming through. Let's see what the ancestors have for you, and the angels and guardians and spirit. We have take care of your needs coming through. So being so much in service with to the organization or to the world that you're not getting time for your own self, that is also a predominant energy which is buzzing in, time out. Take some personal time. We have take charge with authority coming through, and we have shift your perception which is coming in. There is a very strong thing of anything which is like taking up your mind, time, space the most in an overwhelming amount. Reduce that a little. That is also what is coming through. And with take charge with authority coming through, this in a way also talks about there could be certain kind of promotion or new responsibility that comes through, and you feel that you won't be able to deliver it the way you want to. So there is, for some people, it's a very special channeled energy. It's just flowing in. So believe in yourself. You can deliver. You will be able to deliver. Believe that the victory will be coming in, recognition will be coming in, but apart from that, you will excel. Stop thinking about the negative things. Let's put that time and mind space and attention onto something which will be more productive. How can we make our life more lucrative? That is also coming in. Flowing energy which is coming through. A revival of sorts which is required. Someone getting really pepped up or inspired to make a change over here. And this side is being asked to believe in themselves a little more, which is coming in very strongly. It's like believing in yourself, getting a command over yourself, and over here, being clear in your command to the outside world. That is also what is coming through. Clear communication, clear instructions, which are very much important, especially if you are in a managerial spot. You have to be very careful as to what emails are you sending and everything. Recheck what you're giving out is also coming through. So there are a few places or days in October where you will feel a little overwhelmed or very much fatigued, and that again will be a gentle reminder to be kinder to yourself. Spend some time, make sure that you're taking some nourishing time for yourself. Very important, because it's good that you're delivering and taking care of everything, but it doesn't always have to be that dynamic. It can be in bursts with like 5-second breaks perhaps. But don't burn yourself out due to stress, due to certain things which aren't coming into fruition. You have been waiting upon for years. Well, this whole time has been there for you to realize, do you really want it? Or do you now see something more from the same situation, but in a more advanced way? And it's all about like not getting fixated on one thing, and keep at it till you burn out. till you drop because you can't breathe. It's like I'm thinking of a marathon or 100-meter sprint kind of thing, which is coming in. Step out of your comfort zone. That is also coming through. I feel the adventurer in you, the achiever in you is coming through. And even if you're facing a phase of self doubt or self worth, not really self worth, but the thing of, will I be able to do this? That you need to relax it a little. Let's see what the sacred destiny has for us. Very heavy energy came through, and then that's why I just stopped. I must have like merged them together to speed it up, but you need to take it easy a little, take it easy. And see, what are you getting fixated by? What are you seeing in the future that is limiting your present moment? That is also somewhere down the line coming in. If there has been certain kind of delay which has been very, very long, what is the universe trying to teach you? It's not like, a sign that, oh, see, this is getting delayed, so this is just a simple cue coming in that you don't have to do it, you don't have to pursue it. No, it could be something personally that you have to clear, you have to rebalance before it starts moving forward, or certain kind of advancement spiritually also, however you guys are, but individually going, flowing together, that kind of a thing is also coming in terms of relationship. All right, so let's just see what is coming in with, like, the energy is everywhere. Okay, so we have gateway opening up, spiritual. I feel like the moment you let go of a little bit of stress, spend some quality time with your loved ones, perhaps you start giving yourself more time in laughter and love, and the more of it comes through. I feel this is a time that you're getting a chance to let go of certain things which have become obsolete, certain things like approaches which weren't really working, so refining, retuning things, and feeling efficient, yes, but also giving yourself the time to breathe. And with all of that, I just feel like you're making space for miracles and love and abundance to come your way. That is what I'm seeing over here. So for some, it could be a tower moment kind of a thing which is happening, spiritually getting woken up and kind of stressed out as to what is in the unknown kind of a thing. It could be for any aspect in life, but realize that you are at a very pivotal point in your life, or at a point where you can do certain major changes which will enhance your experience, enhance your life, your journey. All right, so we have forgiveness coming in, release the old energy which is coming through, forgive yourself and others involved, so that the heavy weight which may have been in the subconscious is released once and for all. So next we have fulfillment coming in with the full moon over here and the peach, I suppose. I feel like embracing where you are and reflecting upon things, releasing them, amending whatever needs to be amended, and then realizing slowly and steadily how many things you are actually grateful for. And that ideology of abundance starts coming in. And with that, slowly and steadily, you start enjoying more of what is around you, what you have built, and you're enjoying the journey. And in no time, the destination which you were first primarily going towards, traveling towards, or traveling for, comes through with the fulfillment over here. Next we have courage also coming in, and we have standstill coming through. So this is, it's really, there's so much strength in you, and I feel that warrior spirit coming through very, very strongly. Like, it's like a spiritual experience that you're having, heightened one. So you may feel vulnerable also, and a little agitated, fluxed also. So make sure before giving a reaction outwardly out of an impulse, take the time to really see whether you can rephrase what you're saying, or talk on a better time, in a better time. That kind of a thing is coming in. This almost seems like there's a major, massive build-up going on, and suddenly there's this achievement which happens and just makes you feel very gratified and very at peace. But let me tell you something about life. Whatever it is that you dream for, when you achieve it, you relish it, yes, you enjoy it, you feel like you've really done something and all of that, whatever it is, different for everyone. But eventually, you manifest or start thinking of another dream. There'll be more things that you would want once you have achieved that goal of yours. So don't run towards the milestone thinking that this is it. This will make me happy, or this will end all the problems. Go towards it knowing that it is enhancing your life. Relishing the process of going there is also what is coming through. There's a little bit of escalation which is happening, whether it is due to job, due to expectation, due to milestones set and all of that. There is a certain kind of exaggeration which is going on. Great. Now I can't speak also. Find the strength to go towards your dreams. I feel like someone who's tied down by responsibilities, expectations, roles that they have to play in everyone's life, and all of that. And at the end of it, not getting enough time to talk to your own self. Or even at times, congratulate yourself for the job well done. Appreciation comes in many forms, but take some time for yourself. Know that you have the emotional strength and increasing intuition to overcome any kind of obstacle that may be coming through. Find the courage within and do what you feel is right. After considering everything, of course. But listen to the inner voice, which is like coming through very strongly. It's guiding you towards your full potential or towards achieving whatever has your full attention right now. But remember to take it easy and rest also. So the next time that you go out, you are again giving out your 100%. That is also coming in. Work is coming through very strongly. Too much stress due to the money which is coming in. There's literally so much protection which is coming in for you. This is all coming out of care. That is very strongly coming in. Embrace the spiritual energy, the magical energy which is surrounding you. Know that your dreams and your loved ones are secure, but the next steps that you take are pretty much vital. But live life more is all I'm going to say. May or may not resonate. It's a very strong energy which is coming in, so I could not ignore it. So do let me know your thoughts. This is a little short one, but thank you so much for your time. Remember to breathe, all right? And thank you for being part of the Munyan family. If you aren't already, then please do subscribe. Share it with your loved ones and comment below and hit the like. Until next time, love, light, clarity, empowerment, excellence, advancements, and fulfillment and abundance to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonian.